What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Talkie Soulful AI. And in this video, we are going to show you how to use Talkie Soulful AI. Talkie AI is an AI chatbot platform offering conversations with diverse AI personalities. Users can engage with AI characters based on interests, create their own AI character, and enjoy unique interactions. The app targets users age 13 and above, ensuring a safe and age-appropriate experience. So this is how you can use it. In your web browser, go to talkie-ai.com, and it is going to take you to its website. Now once you are here, you go ahead and click on sign in, and if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and continue if you want to use your Apple ID, or you can also continue with Google. So after signing up, you are going to be asked some questions. So here first is about your birthday. So dial in your birthday and click on confirm and sign up. And after that, you will be greeted with different AI characters that you can chat with. And you can also choose an AI character depending on the category. So here we have fantasy, modern, parallel world, game and anime, movie, VTuber, adventures, helper, and so much more. Now, say for example, you want to chat with this AI right here.
Hello, I am your personal assistant. What can I help you?
You can hear that she actually greeted you. Now you can type your response in the chat box. So say for example, you can say, help me write a document.
Of course. I would love to help you write a document. What is the document about?
So there you go, you can chat with different AI characters, and if you want to chat with another character, you can just go back and choose the character you want to chat with. So say for example, you want to chat with Aurora here, the dog.
Stay away from me.
So you can just type in why.
I will bite you.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is how you can use Talkie AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.